how this is how we jive mass communication. Now I'm again with another video. You can see I have a simple box in front of me. I have a pair of boots from Shein, a simple box damaged by the shipping. See the number 42, the size. This is from Shein. Let's unbox it. Here we go. Wow. We have a beautiful pair of boots. The budget boots price could be $40 to $50, 40 to 50 euro. Depends which country you are in. They look beautiful, look more professional, expensive one as wow. You can take this, lose it, whatever, fix your size. They're quite light. I feel very high quality at my hands and professional as well. Here you see the brand name you can buy at the page of Shein. This one, fashion is written, fashion from Shein. Outdoor is written. The sole is quite light and I don't feel cheap material. I feel expensive material as Timberland, as Panama Jack or other big companies. If you want to see video review of those boots, check the video description. Okay, wow, lovely. The sole is light, quite good, rubbery, so you'll have a good grip. This is important, a good grip when you are trekking in the mountain or anywhere. Good grip is important. It's dark color. Look closer. The material, mixture of artificial leather and other material could be in this case. And this is good, it's warm. You feel something. I think they put something inside, you see, coming with the protection. So lovely. Here we go. Wow, behind you have something, so jeans will stay here or your pants. It's something as high-tech. I have used high-tech boot with the similar color, so look dashing and very good quality and good price as well. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.